All right, we are walking to go get train supplies, water, and everything to make the 2-mile walk to go get on a train. But look at that sunset, it's beautiful in Virginia, being a bad dog. But just wanted to show that sunset. All right, we'll probably see you guys when we're having a fire tonight or whatever. All right, see you guys later.
All right, well, we're on. We got ourselves a coffin. You see how not a lot of width here. Hey, monkey. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is probably this must be a 45. But yeah. So this should be a, I guess it could be a Marion, Arkansas train, or it could be going to Memphis as well. But then again, it could be the Shreveport train. Either or, it doesn't really matter. We're gonna jump off somewhere, Fort Worth, greater DFW area, if you will. Yep. So yeah, I guess we'll see you. We'll try to get a little bit on this ride. Some grade crossings and what have yous. But yep, looks like we got green signal up there, so we're just waiting to probably get our bulletins. Waiting for everyone to safely get off and have the new crew get on.
Thank you, Paul. Just want to say thank you, Paul, for Baltimore, for helping us out.
Yeah, dude.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, that was wild. That's clutch.
And Brian, too.
Shoot, man, the whole crew.
And everybody else who's helped us with kicking down, you know, for us to have beers and smokes and eat fat on trains. Really appreciate it. And I'm glad that you guys are digging the new editing stuff.
Yeah, I'm working on it. It's just hard too, because I don't want to make them like too big, like the file size, because if you make, you know what I mean, so you can like make the file size like ridiculous, like it'll be, you know, 10 gigs, you know, to upload like a
6 hours.
Yeah, and we just fuck trying to find somewhere to be able to do that. It's a headache to say the least. So that's why, like, yeah, the videos are only like 18 to 22 minutes long, because we keep the file size relatively, you know, reasonable.
And it still takes like an hour and a half.
2 hours, yeah.
2 hours.
Just depending on, yeah, where we're at, what the connection's like.
Upload
and all
that.
Yeah, okay, so, well, we'll see it. Alrighty, we are pulling. Yeah, they're definitely, I would say, I'd agree. I don't know, some people may disagree, but I feel like they are probably the best rides. One of my favorites, but I still do love boxcars, just, you know, when it's acclimate weather. But these are just kind of a little bit, there's still plenty of them like in service for sure. It's just so much shipping in the US is domestic shipping, but so they won't use this footage of a well to put the containers in. Yeah, it was wild earlier today. 2 people jumped off a westbound train right where we were sitting, basically right where we were sitting and kind of hanging out for the day. And one of them, we've actually, I can't even remember his damn name. We've met him like literally all over in the past like 2 years, I think. We've ran into that dude more times, I think, than anybody in like a long time. Really seemed like a really nice kid. But yeah, he was coming from Birmingham. Not too sure where he was off to, but it's pretty cool. Yeah, we ran into him in like Dunsmuir, California, Kansas City, Amarillo, Texas, and now here. Yeah, and he rolls by himself. Knows his stuff, that's for sure. But yeah, buddy, if you're watching this, hopefully we'll see you again.
up there. Pretty much if you sleep underneath any of these bridges, the toll road cops will come kick you out because it's their property. It happened to us one year on Christmas when it was raining. It was like icy out and they came and told us we couldn't sleep under there. But they were nice about it. So yeah, any minute when we stop, we'll be jumping off. Like I said, we're be at the front end of the yard. Alright, we are off safe. We are like not even a mile that we gotta go that way. Pretty much to a bridge. But Virginia's off going to the bathroom. Thanks for watching, everyone. And until the next train video, we're gonna do something new out of here. So we'll see you guys once we're on a different line. Alright, bye.
So yeah, we ended up crashing right here early this morning, and yeah, there's a big old storm getting ready to run through here. You can already see it starting to come in from the west, but it just looks like one band of like really bad weather, but they're calling for like tornado warnings, I guess. So we're just gonna
here, Arkansas and Tennessee and Kentucky, I guess. So.
Yeah, it looks bad. So yeah, we're gonna, there's a couple bridges over here because yeah, we're not gonna stay dry underneath here, the wind's howling. But yeah, we're just gonna ride out the storm and then go and get on a train tomorrow. Sucks too, this right here is the train, our northbound we're looking for, or one of them. There's like different, multiple spots you can get up north out of here, up to head towards Kansas City. But yeah, this is one of them. That'll at least get up into Oklahoma. But oh well. But yep, we'll see you later.
So we just got a tornado warning on our phones, and that train, the conductor told us to leave where we were sitting and seek cover. But yeah, so we're going to the slow bridge that this off-ramp goes up. We're going underneath there because it's like the lowest point for us to be under. But it's so crazy, all these people are still working. I guess, yeah, they're getting off now because the sirens from the other side of the bridge are pretty much going off. So, all right, I gotta go catch up with them before it hits. All right, we'll see you guys later. So we are at a low bridge. Look, all the birds are getting ready for this tornado to hit. Look at all them. They are moving. I think that's the last of them. Before I turned it on, they were all heading, I don't know, probably, oh yeah, you can see them. They're just going to the river over there to get covered by the trees, but everything's pitch black in just that matter of 5 minutes, man. And that conductor is still on that train. It stopped. But we figured this bridge, since it's super low, doesn't go really high, it'd be the safest. Here it comes. Come on, Virginia. It's coming, cold air. Woo, come on. All right, that's shit. And then There's no way debris could come from right there. If those trees snap, at least they'll be on top of us. Really ain't nothing else. So everybody's parking underneath the bridge right here, getting ready for the storm. There's already 6 cars underneath there, more are coming. So I can't even believe people are driving still. But the sirens are going off. So alright, it is raining. We're kind of staying dry, but as long as the wind don't shift, the sky don't look too bad. But I'm not going out there because look how much rain's coming from there. All right, well, we'll see you guys later.
Hey there, everyone. So we survived the storm. Virginia's enjoying the sunshine. Crazy dog. But yeah, we're just having some coffee, and then we're gonna make our way over to the Nay Yard, is what it's called, kind of on the other side of town. We're gonna take a couple buses over there. But yeah, they had the air raid sirens, or whatever, the tornado sirens going off. But when that storm hit, we must have just lucked out, because like you could see it on the radar, it was a big old band of you know, everything was pink and purple and all this and that. But when it hit here, we must have, you know, got lucky. Like it just wasn't as bad right where we were at, because yeah, it didn't even, it was really short-lived, you know. So luckily that was all good. But apparently, I guess there was something that touched down over kind of by like South Dallas, I think. It sounded like on the radio is what they were saying. But yeah, anyways, we'll see you when we get over to the other yard. Hi, Virginia. So we're here where we need to be. You can see the tracks. They're just right there. And there should be about 3 a day that are going up where we're trying to go. The Choctaw subdivision. But we'll see. Our friend, she lives down in Austin, or in like that area. And yeah, she's an old friend, but she's been living there and kicking ass these days, past couple years. But yeah, she was talking about driving up to bring her dogs, to let the dogs run around.
To meet?
Yeah, to hang out. Yeah, because yeah, Virginia hasn't got to meet either of her dogs. But so yeah, we may end up just staying for the night. We're gonna see. We told her we'd hit her up. You know, we'll basically, whenever we give up for the night, we were just gonna hit her up, you know, to be, yeah, we're staying, or you know, or we already got on something. But yeah, cool little park.
Yeah, the perfect area for her to come.
Oh yeah, to hang out for
Bring
sure.
the dogs.
Yeah, and I guess yeah, her gang's pretty wild and crazy too, like Virginia. So
Well, it's like, what are they, the Spacunzi, or what are
I don't even know what kind of dogs you call it, but
the
yeah,
target dog?
yeah, the Spud McKenzie looking things. But yeah, Wally World's right over there. Seems like pretty chill neighborhood for the most part.
Yeah, it's like a med.
I know, yeah, I know when you go and cross the other side of the highway over there, it gets a little rough. But I don't know, we haven't been over that side of town in years. So I don't know what it's like over there anymore. But it was never like bad, you know what I mean? People were, you know, friendly enough. But all right, we'll see you. Tower 55, but no more tower, but still called Old 55. So we're getting up, making some coffee. But yeah, we're here in Denison, Texas. We were on the South St. Paul train, and we were gonna just ride all the way to Kansas City on one train, but we said screw it. We were gonna jump up here. It's a nice little area. Town isn't far, but you got, yeah, super nice patch of woods all along the yard. You got some car dealerships back there, but it's pretty thick back here. But yeah, I think we were gonna maybe have a fire and cook some grub tonight is the plan.
Going up to Canada.
All the way to Canadian this year? Oh, good. Too expensive up there. But yeah, thanks for watching. I guess we'll yeah, do something with what we got. But yeah, we will see you next time. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, sucker fish.